Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark. Welcome back to my channel. And on this video, I would like to bring you in one of the biggest house that we are selling right now here in Vista Grande in Talisay City, Cebu. And this is the boundary of Cebu City and Talisay City. And I have so many videos of this house, but right now I want to take another fresh video of this house. And come with me and let's do it. Now I am here at the roof deck of this nice house. This is a 7 bedrooms house, 7 toilet and bathrooms, and can park up to a 6-car garage. And this house comes with swimming pool with water features, dropping features, and those are the neighborhoods that you can see. And that's going up, and later on, before I end this video, I will drive coming from this house going up to this Vista Grande subdivision, so that you will see your neighborhoods and the subdivision itself. And right now, as I said, I am here at the 4th level or the ground or the sky garden of this house, and that's the 2nd level of or the above ground floor. And that's the ramp that you can see below. And again, those are the neighborhoods. This is in subdivision of Vista Grande, and that's the swimming pool below, you can see. And that's the other bedrooms. And I really want to tell you that this house, as I said, comes with 7 bedrooms, including the maid's room and the driver's room, and you can park up to 6-car garage. And maybe I will show you the garage from here, but I think it's not, because yeah. And you have that extra garden outside. That's the car garage below. You can see there is a extra lot outside. Actually, that lot is donated by the subdivision itself for this property. So that lot, you're not buying or you're not paying that lot. Instead, it's a donated lot, and you can use it with provisions like it's not open for development. So it's only open for the garden. And as you can see, there is a structure, that structure, and that's a public school. So it's a public school structure of the Bulacau, Talisay City. But you don't worry, maybe you will say that it will make noise later on, or maybe you will come here and you will attest that the noise outside can be minimized because of the glass that is used here in this house. And this is the roof deck of the house. So I just want to start my video here because I want you to see the below of this property. That's the below of the property. And yes, that garden is yours. You can use that privately. You can develop it privately into a beautiful manicure garden, although it's already manicured, but you can add more plants on that garden. And my friend, who is the builder of this house, also puts a bamboo, planted bamboo there, so that the bamboo can cover the structure of the school, and it will give you privacy from the students of that school. So let's go now to the 3rd level of the house. Again, this is the top level of the house, or the 4th level of the house. And on this level, you can see a lot of things like your neighborhoods. And from here, you can actually see the CCLX there, the tower. That's the SMC side. And let's go down. And the lot area of this property is 400 plus square meters, and the floor area of this property is 700 plus square meters. And this is for sale for 49.8 million pesos, and comes with aircon, furnishings like beds, kitchen stuffs like the refrigerator, gas range hoods. And this is the 3rd level of the house. And as you can see, there are developments on the wall. Originally, that's plain wall, and later on, my friend, the developer of this house, decided to put a little changes on that wall. And this is the third level of the house. This level houses the main bedroom of the house, the second and first bedroom, regular bedrooms, and all of the bedrooms inside within this floor level comes with own toilet and bathroom, and they are not sharing any toilet and bathroom. Example, that one and this one, but we will try to check this one first, and that is the stairs going down. That's the main bedroom. That will be the last bedroom we will check on this floor level. And this is the first regular bedroom, and actually this is just only a regular bedroom, but it's really huge, really spacious, comes with own toilet and bathroom, and comes with own balcony, and you can see later on the view of the balcony. And this bedroom comes also with the split type swimming pool, split type aircon, and you have here your walk-in closet, and your toilet and bathroom. Yeah. So you have your shower there, and you have your toilet there, and yes, this is your toilet and bathroom. So we are selling this again for 49.8 million pesos, and this is open for bank financing. You can process your bank loan in any bank, and we will just do the appraisal of the property. Yeah, and we can recommend also preferred bank if you want to ask. And yes, this is a 7-bedroom house, 7 toilet and bathroom house with large kitchen, large living area, large dining area, and one of the nice feature of this house is the swimming pool with dropping water feature. And this is the first bedroom of the house. That's your bed area, and you have those glass walls with nicely decorated with that artificial plant, and you have a wrap around balcony outside, and you can see also the outside, and that's the main road of the Vista Grande. And this is your bedroom area, and I will bring you outside the balcony of this bedroom. So that is the garden. It's free. You can develop that, although it's already manicured, but you can put additional plants out there. And this is the second level open area, and maybe you can host your party there. And that's the ground floor parking area that can house up to 6-car garage, 6-car spaces. And this is the balcony of the first bedroom of the house. That's the second level open area, and it's really spacious open area. You can put maybe bahay kubo there, so that you have that something out there, and that will be the main door of the house. That is the ramp going down, and you have also access, other access from your second floor going to that side right there, but I will bring you there later on. And I will go back and I will show you the second bedroom of this house. This is the second bedroom of the house. The same with the first one. You have the walk-in closet, you have your own private toilet and bathroom, and you have your own area. And this is your toilet and bathroom. The same to the other room, you have this mirror feature that changes light colors. And this is the door of your second regular bedroom, and you have there's the split type aircon. And this is your bed area, and I will show you this bedroom comes also with toilet, with balcony, and the view of your balcony is the swimming pool and the sunken garden. You have there the sunken garden. Maybe you can turn that into your barbecue area because it's really nice. And that's your swimming pool, and there will be a water features there. The water will be dropped down, and that's the sliding door going to the kitchen and dining area. And that's the back, the dirty kitchen, and you have the shower there. And yeah, that's the pool, and that's the balcony of the main bedroom, and let's go there right now. This house is located inside the Vista Grande subdivision, and the Vista Grande subdivision is developed by the Santa Lucia, and this also comes with lots of amenities like swimming pool, and later on I will bring you there because this is really one of the biggest subdivision here in Talisay City, just like the Kishanta. So that the door there is which leads you up going to the fourth level, or the open garden, sky garden of this house, and we started our video there. And this is the main bedroom of the house, high ceiling with lots of lights, and you have that glass there so that the light will becomes in, and you don't need to open all your lights. And these are the designs of the master's bedroom. This master's bedroom comes with own huge toilet and bathroom, and you have that huge bed, and this also comes with your own balcony, and this is the balcony of your master's bedroom. And the view of your master's bedroom is the swimming pool. That's the last second regular bedroom that we checked, and that's the sliding door going to the living area, sunken garden, a swimming pool below, and you have that open space. Later on I will show you the open space because it's really huge, and this balcony is also huge and high ceiling, and those are the neighborhoods that you have. And I will bring you now to the bathroom of this video, of this bathroom. I will bring you now to the toilet and bathroom of this main bedroom, and this is your toilet and bathroom here. Huge toilet and bathroom. You have your bathtub there, mirrors, your toilets, your bathtub, and your lavatory, and you have the drawers here, and you have your walk-in closet and shower area and your bathtub. And this aircon, split type aircon. You have two split type aircons on this bedroom. You have one there and one on the bathroom. And I will bring you now to the second level of this house, because this is really huge house. It's 700 plus square meters of floor area. That's why it's really huge. And I will bring you now to the ground floor. Not ground floor, but the second floor of the house. So we'll just put a curtain there so that sometimes there are clients viewing this house, and we prevent the floor to get dirty, so we'll just put curtain. And this is the second level of the house. That is the dining area and the kitchen area, and you have that wall finishing touches, and you have that nice ceiling, and you have the sliding door both sides that you can see your swimming pool, and that's your very large door. And this is that's the living area out there, and this is the first bedroom of this ground floor. You have a bedroom there, and this is your living area, and this is the huge huge door. And this area here comes with split type aircon, that one, and you have your area for your TV. And this is it, the second floor of the house. I will show you around before I will bring you to the ground floor or the bedroom of this floor level. And you have here the features again, just like on the third level. This wall here, before it was plain, but we changed that. My friend changed that, and he put in wall decors, and mirror. And you have here the split type aircon. You have two split type aircons on this floor level, plus additional another split type aircons there, and you have additional aircon on the bedroom. And this is your dining area, and that's free, it's included. And that's the previous, like you also have previous of the refrigerator on your kitchen. And you have lots of cabinets, overhead cabinets and cabinets below, and you have this center table there, and you have the oven and microwave. You have also cooktop here, and you have this range hood. Before, the original design of this one here, this one, it was white mirror, but it also changed so that it will complements with this countertop, and it becomes black. But the original, that was white. And you have the three lights there, drop lights, and you have the screen door here, the sliding screen door, and your swimming pool area. So right now I will bring you to the bedroom, but first I will show you, this is the access that I told you when I was up there, that you have an access going to the, aside from the main door right there, you have an access coming from your garage. And this is the door going to the down below. You have an access going there to the parking area. So that area can park up to 6-car garage. And you have additional area here below. That's for the control room for the swimming pool. And you have rooms there for, like for the a maid's room, driver's room. Both maid's room and driver's rooms comes with their own private toilet and bathroom, and another room for extra room that you can turn into your home office, man cave, or maybe you can make it into your gym, or anything that you want, because that room comes with your own toilet and bathroom too, although that's not a bedroom, but it can, later on I will bring you there. And here you have here the area, storage area. You can utilize that area. You can put your cleaning materials there, your cleaning stuffs you can put here. And yes, it's very useful. And now I will bring you to the bedroom of this floor level, and this is it. This is the bedroom that you have, and that's going to the up. So this is the bedroom on the floor level. This also comes with your own toilet and bathroom. This bedroom here, and you also have a closet area, a closet cabinet, and you have additional aircon. And this is your bedroom area. And you have your toilet and bathroom on this level here. I will turn on the lights. Yeah, you have shower, you have lavatory on this side here, a small area, lavatory, and you have the toilets. And additionally, this bedrooms has a direct access going to the open area outside, and I will bring you outside, and it's really huge. This is the area that I told you when I was above, that you can choose additional more area there, and you have, that's the parking lot below, and that's the garden outside. Yeah, I will tour you around. And this is the living area of the house. I will tour you on the open area. And you have that garden outside. And this is the area outside here. And that is the facade of the house. And this is the open area. And I will bring you to your swimming pool area. and that's the ramp below. And this is the swimming pool area. You have the sunken garden here and your swimming pool area, and this is the living area. Your kitchen area there. I will go to the back. And this is the back. It can be your dirty kitchen and your laundry area here. And from this back, coming from this dirty kitchen or the back of the house, there is a access door here, and this will leads to your pantry. And we will take this door going back to the house, and this is the pantry area. You can make this into your pantry area because you have storage here. Yeah, this can be your pantry. I will turn on the light. That will be your pantry area. And on the side you have the powder room. So this is the tour of the second floor of this 4-level house. I will bring you now to the ground floor, or the area of the parking lot, and the maid's room, driver's room, main office or home office area, and the control room for the swimming pool. We can use that door going down, but I will use the main door so that you will see the ramp. So we can use this door right here going down, but I will use the main door of this house. I will use the main door, and we will go down. So this is the main door of the house, and we will just use the ramp going down so that you can see the. We'll go down, and this is the front of the house, and that's the 4th level or the open area. This is the other side of the hay. I think I was not able to take video of this side. That's the other side. I will bring you down. And this is the main gate, and this is the parking area. It can park up to 6 cars, 5 to 6 cars. Actually, yeah, 6 cars. And that's the house, and that's the driver's toilet and bathroom. That's the driver's room. That's the maid's room with own toilet and bathroom inside, and that's the extra room that you can turn into your home office or gym or movie room. That depends on how you are going to utilize that room, but I will bring you here first. And this is the driver's toilet and bathroom, and this is the this is the driver's room here. So the toilet and bathroom, sorry, the caretaker is inside. I was not able to see. He is inside, but this is the driver's room, and this is the maid's room. And the maid's room, toilet and bathroom is inside of this bedroom. So the driver's room is outside the toilet and bathroom, and this is the maid's room. This is the maid's room, toilet and bathroom. And I will bring you to the extra room that you can make into your home office, or this is the 6-car garage. And this is the extra room here. extra room for, or you can make this into your something useful, your home office, your gym, your theater room, or anything that you want to utilize with this room, because this room also comes with own toilet and bathroom there. Or maybe you have an elderly member of your family who doesn't want to go up always, and then they can use this room because this is direct access to the car garage and also direct access to the kitchen. And that's it. That's the video of this house. And this one here is going to the access, going to the control room of the swimming pool. That area is really huge. You can use that into your storage room, but I will not bring you there because lots of things going on inside there right now. Yeah, so this is it, and that's going up. I think I will bring you there so that you can see. So this is the whole tour of the house, but as I promised, as I told you from the start of this video, I will tour you around this subdivision and I will attach that video. So I will go right now, and please finish this video and hopefully you will be interested with this one. This is again 49.8 million pesos. This is a 4-story house, 7 bedrooms, 7 toilet and bathrooms, and large kitchen, large dining area, large living area, and swimming pool, which is the best feature of the house. And lastly, before I forgot, I will bring you to maybe before I will go out, so I will show you the outdoor or the garden outdoor. And you have that spacious car garage and spacious open area outside, and you have the swimming pool. So let's go now, coming from this house, going we will tour around the subdivision. Most of my videos, my driving videos in Vista Grande, I did not take this area here, but right now I will take so that you can see what's here. And this is the Vista Grande subdivision. This is going up. That's another area there. I will not bring you. So that's the entrance. That's the entrance going down, and going up is the continue of this Vista Grande area. I will bring you up. It's gonna be, makes me feel fine. There's ongoing construction there. Another house. Another house. I just post my video because my phone got hot, and that's what you can see going down. Let's continue. I'll just open that now. Lady in And this is the amenity area of the Vista Grande. So there is the gym here and the clubhouse. This is really huge subdivision. I will bring you to the amenity area. And this is the amenity area of the Vista Grande. The gymnasium and the clubhouse and the swimming pool. I will show you the swimming pool. Viewing deck of the Vista Grande. We are now on the clubhouse, and this is open to all the house owners and renters. You have there the barbecue or grilling area, then washing area. You can use this area if you have like picnic. You can use also this cottages here if you have like small party. You can use barbecue, the grilling barbecue station, and the swimming pool, the kids and adult swimming pool, and the clubhouse, and the gym, the basketball court, and another area here for the another cottages. And this one is the volleyball court and tennis court. Beside the clubhouse. This is the pool, community swimming pool, and the kids pool. And the clubhouse, and another cottages there. And this is the gym. Basketball court. We will continue our driving. I think the last part of this video is the chapel. The chapel was built just it was newly built. I'll bring you to the chapel. Let's continue our driving. I will bring you on this other side because sometimes I always go straight on my other video, but for now I want to bring you here on the other side. We'll take that. So if you are very interested with the subdivision, just message me, because we have lots of houses, ongoing construction and ready for occupancy houses available here for sale. You can buy that one. And these are the neighborhoods we have in this subdivision. I like that house. Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya ulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating. I will bring you now to the Pacific Heights subdivision. So Pacific Heights is just here inside. Before the Pacific Heights is the Vista Grande. So they are just the same developer, Santa Lucia. And right now I will bring you there in Pacific Heights, Grand Pacific Heights. So this is the entrance of the Pacific Heights.